Want to start trading with Finelo and make the most out of your investments? Here's a quick guide. First, sign up with the Finelo platform. Make sure your account is verified by submitting your ID and other necessary documents. Next, deposit funds into your account using your preferred payment method, bank transfer, card, or crypto if supported. Once your account is funded, head to the trading dashboard. You'll see markets like stocks, crypto, or forex depending on your account type. Before placing a trade, always analyze the market. Use the charts, indicators, and Finelo's tools to make informed decisions. To place a trade, choose your asset, decide the amount, and select buy or sell, depending on whether you expect the price to rise or fall. Don't forget to set stop loss and take profit orders to manage your risk. Finally, monitor your trades and adjust your strategy based on market movement. And that's it. You're now ready to trade with Finelo safely and smartly. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you found this video helpful. And don't forget to leave us your thoughts in the comments.